After line and polyline, they have two more types of line, and we'll show how we can use that. And in previous lecture, I have just forgotten on things that how we'll use polyline with command. Just simply click P L and you will see P line. That means polyline. So here, if we go for it, we'll see a polyline. Okay, fine. Now I'll go with extra two types of line. So how we'll use that? If we click here draw, just we'll see they have a construction line. They have a construction line here, and here in below you will see the command tools X line. So if you click here, and it's telling us specify a point, okay. So if I click here, just see a line are being created. It's with ultimate distance with the center point where we have clicked. Here we have clicked. So if I just click here, then click here, clear, just see it's creating a line that is very far away distance, and it's unlimited. They have no ending of that line. Clear? See if I just go here, so they have no ending of that line. Just see, they have no ending actually. This is the work of polyline, sorry, construction line. So if I delete that option, now what will go for next actually? If you want to use command to use that polyline, first press your all command by pressing escape, ESC, then press X L, then just see here X line, just press XL, then enter, then specify point, just see here your line. So this is a simple way. Now sometime you need to draw that line horizontally, or you need to draw that line vertically only. Then what you do actually? There are two ways. I'm showing you that first way, and previously already I have discussed about that ortho mode. By using ortho mode also you can draw that easily, but now if I again press XL and I have open our command. Now if you click here, just see H, that means horizontal. Then if I click here horizontal and just see when I'm creating any line, it's giving me horizontal line simply. Clear? Then enter. If we press enter again, our previous command will start. So if we press enter again, just see our previous command have been start. Now if you need some X line or construction line, then vertically, then click here vertical, just see some line are being created vertically here. After that again press enter to open your previous command, and they have angle. So if you click angle and just simply click here and click another point, just see with reference actually it's creating line with angular situation. So this is the way to create your construction line, and this is unlimited. So here, this is the work of your polyline, sorry, this is the work of your construction line.